Hi guys, it's Mr. Lane coming to you with an instructional video today on how to properly format your blog entries and put them on your website. I'm going to remind you that you also need to go back and reformat your previous blog entries if you didn't do it correctly, but it's going to be worth 50 points in the gradebook, so please don't forget to go back and reformat those if necessary. First thing I'm going to do when I'm beginning a new blog entry, I'm going to start with my previous blog entry. Make sure that the share allowance is there as anyone with the link. All right. And then I'm going to create this week's blog entry, I'm going to go to File, Make a Copy. I'm going to get rid of this copy of at the beginning, and then I'm going to change the second part to make sure it matches my topic. So STEM or aviation training programs, because that's going to be, as you'll see in a minute, my Newsela article topic. I want to put it in, make sure it goes right back in that blog folder. So I'm going to find my Unit 2 portfolio website. Going to go into blog, and then I'm going to select that. Make sure I share it with the same people. That way it keeps the same permissions, and then make a copy. And you'll see it'll pop up here. And now I have my new aviation training program blog entry ready to go. Whoops, I forgot to update the date on that, didn't I? So let's make sure it has the due date, not the date you're completing it, but the due date in the blog entry title. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over here to my website, and you'll see here that I went straight to my blog page. Make sure that you're there and you are ready to edit. And we're going to always use one of these content blocks on the right-hand column just to make it nice and orderly and neat. And I'm going to create a new content block. I really like this one for the blogs. It just makes it really easy to follow, really easy to go to. First thing I'm going to do, click on Edit Text for the headline. Make sure that you use the due date of the blog, and then just the real quick topic that you put in on your Google Doc when you create it. So aviation training programs. I want this to all read as one line, so I'm going to adjust that number down. Actually, you know what? Then it looks too small compared to the others, so let's cut it down to just aviation training, and let's make it 24 point like the others. Got to highlight it, make it aviation training like the others. Next thing I'm going to do is choose all of it, and I want to create a link that's going to take my reader straight to the blog post. So I choose that link button right there. Now I'm going to come back over here to my blog entry. I'm going to go to Share, make sure that my permissions are on anyone with the link, and then copy the link. It'll let me know that the link is copied. I'm going to come back to my blog in the link field right here, paste it in there, and apply it. That way I know that it's going to be a link to that document. Next, for click to edit text, what I'm going to do here is like a 1 to 2 sentence summary of both the article and my response. So let's say something along the lines of, there is a labor shortage in the aviation field. High schools are now developing programs to help fill it. All right, just a real brief synopsis of what is going to be going on. All right, so I have the text here ready for this. Next thing I'm going to do is create this image that I can use to really make it look visually pleasing. So I'm going to go back, assuming you got this on Newsela, maybe you got it on a different source, but either way, I'm going to go and I'm going to choose print screen, which is going to be near the top of your screen. And I'm going to, it's going to give me a crop tool that I can use. Once I choose what I want to capture, it's going to open this snipping tool, and I'm going to choose markup and share. Whoops, I missed my opportunity there. Let's try it again. I'm going to choose this. This snippet tool is going to pop up. I'm going to choose markup and share, and it's going to open up the program here. I like how it looks, so I'm going to go ahead and save this. Right, and I'm going to put it somewhere where I know it's easy to find. I'm going to put it on my downloads, and I'm going to name it 10/17/25 blog image. I'm going to change it to a JPEG. I don't know that you need to, but that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to save it. All right, once I have that saved, I'm going to close this out. I'm going to head back over to my website. And in the image spot here, I'm going to hit the plus sign, and it's going to give me a menu. And I'm going to upload a picture. I'm now going to go back into my downloads where I just saved it. And I'm going to open that file in there, and it's going to put in that picture, make it look nice, visually appealing, and ready to go. As always, go to the preview screen so you can see exactly how it'll look when someone goes to your website. Open up, test the link. It goes right to my blog entry that I had before. So everything looks great. I'm going to pop back out here, back into my edit screen, and I am ready to go. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.